Hello, this is my Week 5 weekly reflection. Authors in the Classroom recognizes the importance of knowing the correct pronunciation of each child's name and also the nicknames some may have. This helps the child to identify with his or her own name. This is the beginning of what is referred to as self-identity. Another way to promote self-identity would be to play games and have activities that encourage children to identify with themselves, their culture, their beliefs, etc. This unit also discusses the importance of community within the classroom, making the classroom feel like a community by decorating it to reflect and identify various cultures will make children feel safer and more comfortable. In Tabor's chapter 4, we read the last of the 4 stages that an English teacher goes through. As he mentions at the beginning of the chapter, children go through a series of revelations in order to finally become comfortable with their speech and begin using it in public settings. These stages are referred to as telegraphic or formulatic speech. In the first form, children limit their speech to 2-word phrases such as I go, what's this, that, etc. This will often be the extent of what they say, as they have not quite mastered the idea of putting longer phrases together, due to the fact that they don't understand the words and have a limited vocabulary. The next and last of these forms is referred to as formulatic speech, in which children have analyzed a wide array of vocabulary words and the context in which others use the words and therefore begin to formulate their own phrases. They will observe conversations and figure out how they can apply them. Oftentimes, it sounds a bit funny as they may use words or phrases in the wrong context. If this is the case, we must be careful not to laugh or allow them to be embarrassed, as it will discourage them from trying the next time. This process is what helps them interact and communicate with others in play environments. We now have covered the 4 periods of the developmental sequence in the second language learners, which are home language use, followed by nonverbal period, telegraphic speech, and lastly, formatic speech. Thank you.